Alright guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Catalyst Media, your favorite. Right there, let's get into it. Select the eyedropper tools. Click on anywhere on the canvas, image or part of the image to sample out the color. Next, color sampler tool. Shortcut is letter I. The color sampler tools help us to display RGB and CMYK color values as click once. Copy the color info and use it. Right click and delete. Next to ruler. Ruler measures the distance, angle and location. To see if the ruler can measure accurately, let's check rectangle with known dimensions. Click once. Weight, let's take 300 pixels and height 500 pixels. Let's see if the ruler will be able to give the accurate distances. Select the ruler. I will extend the ruler to give an accurate measurement. Please pay attention and let's check together. I'm measuring from the left to the right, so let's check guys. Now as you can see, we have 301.33 pixels instead of 300 pixels. That was because I extended my measurements. Now let's measure the height of the rectangle. Let's check guys, from down to up. Now it's measured negative 500 pixels when you measure down to up, as you can see. Anyway, in a measurement like this, what matters is your absolute number. Next, note 2, shortcut letter I. Note 2 help us to make notes that can be attached to an image. As you can see, click again, write another note, type your notes. Click the forward and the backward to navigate. Next, count tools. Shortcut letter I. Now it helps us to count literally. Now there are 0 counts. You can change the marker color, size, increase the level size. Then click to count and watch the option bars as it increases to the last of your click. You can also group your count. It says big rams, small rams. Next to spot healing tools. Shortcut letter J. Use it to remove spots or an unwanted area or object in your photo. Do the same to these pimples. Create a new layer. Ensure that sample all layers is checked. While working like this, you need to be very careful. Very effective, as you can see guys. As you can see, here is before and after. Next, remove tools. Shortcut letter J. Select the remove tools. Adjust the brush size. Create a new layer. Without checking all samples layer, you will get this error message. Always check this box while working on a layer or a multiple layers. Let's paint the ring to remove it. As you can see, healing brush tools. Shortcut letter J. The healing brush tool replaces interface in an image by painting over them with a sample. Select the healing brush tools, take a sample, create a new layer, hold your Alt or Option keys to sample out a layer. Release the click and click on the pimples. As you can see, hold your Alt key. While working on this, guys, it takes patience to do this kind of things. You need to be very careful. Patch tools. Shortcut letter J. The patch tools uses a sample or a pattern to release imperfection in the selected area of an image or photograph. Draw around the object and select it. Go to source or destination. With source selected, Photoshop on its own will replace the source image. In this case, the boat. You need to spend more time to refine this area. As you can see, content aware move tools, shortcut J. With content aware move tools, you can move or extend image. Let's begin with moving an object. Let's decrease the colors to 0 and select the object and move it over here. You notice the bird was moved, but the background color didn't change. That was because our color was 0. Let's increase it. Press down. As you can see, the background color has blended with the image. Now let's extend. Select the bird, move it over here, reduce the size. Done. As you can see, copy, enlarge it. Done. We can also extend the size of this pillar by making it taller. Next is the red eye tool. Shortcut letter J. The red eye tool removes the red eye caused by the reflection of the flash. Select the red eye tool, adjust these settings and start painting it. As you can see. Next group, the brush tools. Shortcut is letter B. The brush tool helps to paint a brush stroke. Select the brush tool, go to option, adjust the settings, size, the hardness, type of brush. Choose a color and paint. As you can see, you can take a sample from anywhere, create new layer, brush the leaves. As you can see, blending mode, check the one that fits it. You can decide to brush the down part to blend multiple images or layers. As you can see, above the layer I have the ship and water. To blend it, reset your colors to default color or shortcut D on your keyboard to reset colors to default mode. Apply a mask. I'm trying to brush it, but it doesn't work. That's because the default ground color must be black. As you can see, it shows brush parts down, brush it. As you can see guys, switch the colors to hide the background layer, brush. As you can see, increase the opacity. As you can see, the next, pencil tool, shortcut letter B. Select the pencil tool, adjust the settings and use it like your normal pencil. To paint, add a stroke. You can copy my settings at the top, make it smoother. Color replacement tools, shortcut letter B. The color replacement tools replaces a selected color with a new one. For instance, adjust the settings, mode and paint this cap. As you can see, can you check it guys? Mixer brush tools, shortcut letter B. The mixer brush tools blends color. First, let's select our image. Go to select, subject, selected it, layering mask, delete the mask, apply. Add the solid color to the layer background. You can choose any color of your choice. Press Ctrl J to duplicate layer 1. Select layer 1. Adjust the mixer brush settings. You can copy my settings, but then depending on what you are doing, you can customize your settings or choose a preset. Click and drag to create a colorful design. Anyway, you can still change your background color if you wish. As you see. Next, clone stamp tool, shortcut letter S. Clone stamp tools uses the sample of the image to clone the image. The cat left eye is imbalanced, but with Photoshop magic, we can clone it. You can also copy my settings, hold the Alt or Option tools to clone a sample. As you click, as you can see. Pattern stamp tool, shortcut letter S. important step to paint the part of an image with a pattern. Select the pattern. Click here to adjust the settings. You can copy my settings. Select the brush type and size. Then paint, as you can see. Then select brush. Increase the spacing. Check the impressionist and it will extract the color in the background. Guys, thank you for your patience. See you in the next class.